Hello guys! So ngayon, ano lang kami, naimbitahan kami kumain sa labas kasama yung mga kaibigan. So, pupunta tayo ngayon sa Costco. So yan guys, so punta tayo sa Costco. Meron akong rewards na natanggap. So, ang gagawin ko, $76. So, magre-renew na lang tayo ng membership for $60. And then, tingnan natin kung anong mabili natin. So, yan. So, yan. After isang taon, we're back at Costco. Look, watermelon are cheaper, $5.99. Sa Walmart, $7. Is this Mr. Melon? The same brand, Mr. Melon. But $7. So, $6.99. $1 cheaper. Yes, this kind, Mr. Melon. That's what we bought. After 1 year, nakabalik na tayo sa Costco. Ayan. Oh, there's trampoline, oh. Shade. Trampoline. $10,000! Ben, that's a jackpot. Plinko. 1,500. That's cool. Ito, oy. Look, $3.99, no? Look at that. One. Okay, so let's go to the samples. Wow! May ice cream si Ben.
Oh.
May ice cream.
Well, welcome to Costco.
Thank you.
You know, I don't know if anybody welcomed you to Costco, but welcome to Costco. And I'm so glad that you're here.
May I try one?
Of course.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Nice.
God bless.
Thank you. Ice cream for dessert.
Come on, you want to get?
Oh, talaga namang mga... Nakuha tayo ng butter. Wala na akong butter. Nasaan yung butter nila? Or, teka lang. Is it good?
Yeah.
Grabe, ang lalaki ng ano. Ang lalaki ng packages dito sa ano. Do we still have chips, Bebe? Ay, ang lalaki ng mga container talaga. Eh, look, ano to? Pickleball. Corn puffs? Oh, wow. Pickleball. Alin? Well, you can ask for another one.
That's a fruit, Mom.
Kuko, bibili guys kami ng paper towel. Let's, ayan, oh. Paper towel.
It's out the slices of pizza. To see if it's good to get.
Yeah.
I thought you were saying it's ready in 5.
Ay, ano?
I remember.
Ito yung bago, dairy
I
section.
remember like last time
Ayan.
we came here, they were still building.
Wow, it's cool. Heavy whipping cream. So, may bago na sila, no? Tagal namin din nakarating, eh. Kailangan natin ng milk.
Mommy, remember Daddy said to get milk at Walmart?
Yeah, he did, but we need more milk.
Oh, yeah, here.
And butter. Ito yung, kuha tayo ng paper towel.
That one.
Ang daming tissue paper, bath tissue. Sa paper towel, wala na tayong paper towel. Aba, ba't mo the price go down?
Oh,
No, it went down, yeah.
Really?
Only 90. It's used to be 20 something. Yeah, so okay, bumaba guys ang presyo. Before to 20, something 22. Before it was 22. Wala. Uy, Ben. Ang mga tubig, sobrang daming tubig. Iba-ibang klase. Okay? Oh, yes. Yes.
I'm taking the day.
Yeah. Daddy's day off. Oh, ito, 20 pieces. Meron ding cheese. Ito yung mga cheese natin. Dito pa. May mga price na bumaba, may mga price na mataas. Forest ham. Tingnan ko. Ice cream. Messi? Wow.
He gave me a bigger one.
Oh, double. Double size. Yeah, ice cream tayo ulit. Pangalawa. Magtitingin kami guys ng burner para sa labas na lutuan. That's perfect. Ayan. Perfecto. Ayan. Where do we put this? Oh, it's pretty heavy, ah. Hi.
Get it before it's
Pizza.
gone.
Wow. That's cute. Get it before it's gone. Kakakain lang ng mga yan. Wow.
Next.
Wow. May
He
pakita.
gave me this.
Wow.
There's only one of all the
Oh, those
other
twirls?
pieces. Yeah, these whole milk chocolate.
Good?
Daddy,
It's enjoying
get
it.
this.
I must get it.
You must get it. Wow! Oh, you got to. Oh, meron din si Kuya. Oh. Second round. Second round. No
I'm
more
thirsty.
streusel. Ay, we have to drink water. Ang mga bata, ang daming free taste. Free taste, free samples.
Mommy, the water's down there.
Okay. Sausage. Oh, talaga namang ang saya-saya nila. Libre. Yan. Ayan guys, yung
Mommy,
rotisserie
she put
chicken.
more.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ayan. Yeah, rotisserie 4.99 lang siya. Ayan, may free. Wow. Isa, the more na magstay kami dito, marami kaming mabibili. So to guys, may pagbibigyan tayo nito. Tsaka ito. So ang atin lang dito,
Mommy,
ayan.
people are buying that Jolly.
Diba?
The Jolly.
Oh, really? Because it's good. No?
It's so good.
Ice cream. Yan yung damitan nila. Pailang ice cream mo na yan? Pailang ice cream mo na yan? Fourth?
So what?
Fourth? So yan guys, ang damitan nila dito. Yan, si Daddy. Okay guys, palabas na kami at maraming madadampot naman. Ang daming free samples. Ay, meron pa dun. Mga bata, okay, enjoy na enjoy talaga sila. Enjoy na enjoy talaga sila. Talaga naman. Ha? Messi? Smoothie melts. Mango carrot. Thank you. Is it good? Mama? I like dehydrated. Milkshake. You have milkshake?
Just milk. What milk?
Chocolate milk. Sobrang daming tao doon sa likod dahil bukas ay holiday. So dito kami pumunta sa loob. Hanap tayo ng clearance. No, ako bumili pa naman ako sa Walmart, guys, ng ng aking tinapay. Umura lang dito to. Kaya lang nakabili na ako. Uy, ayun, meron dong Ben! Is there 10? Tara na, let's go this way na. Nahanap ako ng may clearance sila minsan eh. Ano yan? Pizza crisp. $3 off. Hi guys! So, nakauwi na kami. Konting-konti lang yung pinamili namin. Talaga. Konting-konti lang. So, bukas kasi holiday dito. So, ang daming namamalengke sa Costco. So, binili natin is milk. Ito, milk. Isang kahon. Tsaka ito, kasi gusto ng mga bata. So, buy one, get one pala to. Isa lang yung kinuha namin. So, bumalik pa yung cashier at kumuha pa ng isa. So, yan. Mga chips and paper towel. And bukas, ito yung i-grill. Oh, yeah. Grill ni Daddy bukas. Kasi natanggal na. Ito ay, ano ba ito? Gluten free. This is gluten free. Ay, hindi ko alam kung gluten free ba to. May ganito rin na gluten free. So, yan. Chicken sausage. Yun lang yung i-grill natin. Actually, 3 yan eh. Tsaka itong Kerrygold butter. Yun lang may binili natin. Tsaka ito. Si kuya kasi nag-crave siya din ito. Ito ay lentihas na chips. Okay. Tsaka strawberries. Strawberries. Parang hindi masyado maganda yung ano. And tong drink. So, ito guys, yung ating pakwan na tinadtad natin kahapon. Ang ganda naman ang damo natin. Inano ni Daddy. Kinat na yung damo natin. Ganda yun ang kinamanong yun. So, ito yung ating tinadtad na watermelon. Daming niknik. Okay. So, gagawin natin sa compost pit natin. Tingnan niyo guys. Wow! Para madali siyang ma-break down. Ganyan. Tapos, ito yung, hindi pa siya finish. Pero, mapi-finish na yan. Okay lang yan. So, okay, tabunan natin. Tabunan. And then, uy, daming bulate. Healthy tong ano natin na to. Ayan, para hindi siya niknikin. So, pag natunaw siya, pag uminit, pwede natin siyang gamitin soil sa garden. Ayan yung tumubong kamatis sa ating garden. Uy, nakalimutan kong diligan yung ating mga halaman. Naku, tingnan. Aba, mga pusoy. Ang ating yung malunggay mukhang makakasurvive siya Ito yung tubig ulan. Okay. Kailangan natin diligan yung ating tinanim na sunflower. Parang natutuyot. Diligan natin guys. Dito na lang tayo sa tiny house. Dito tayo sa tiny house. Okay. Dito na lang ako. Okay guys, magbabanyo na rin ako.